I hope you are well and had a good weekend stitching. So I thought I'd show you where I got to first with the Crewel Stem Stitch. I've just focused on the bit I showed you on Saturday. I loved these two colours next to each other. I got very excited when I saw these two colours next to each other. And what I've done is I've just done the basic Crewel Stem Stitch for this area. So the next bit I thought we'd do together, still on Crewel Stem Stitch, is doing this big trunk here. Because it goes off my hoop, I'm just going to do it to around here because I thought it's a good place where I can catch it again to do the last bit. So for this, the reason I've chosen to do this bit is because Philippa has left a really good tip in the instruction booklet. So if you're stitching along with me, you might have seen this already, with how to go around the leaves and flowers. So I thought that is what I would show you today, and I'll talk you through it as I do it. So first thing I'm doing is making sure that I keep my hoop to the right side. So Philip says always hold it away from the outside of the curve, which I think is what I'm doing. There's a slight curve. Also made sure that my thread isn't too long today, making sure that it's from the tip of your little finger to your elbow. So I'm just going to go in, hold and up. So as we're coming to the leaf, I've just done my last, I think I've gone slightly over there. So I'm just going to go back down there. And then Philippa just says come up, take this thread behind to the back of the linen and then just back up here and carry on. I don't know why that's not lying flat. I must have got it caught. Back down. Back up here. So another tip that Philippa has left in the book, in the instructions, is where there's a curve, which we're definitely coming to here, to make it smoother is to make the stitches slightly smaller. So we'll just do some smaller stitches on here just to make sure that we're getting the curve nice and curvy. So I'm going to use the flower here as my place to stop, as when I move the linen I can get the rest of the stem, and it's quite a natural place to stop. Just get that to go in there. So as you can see, we've finished that stem, and we're going to use that same technique as we go up and do the other bits of the stem. I feel like there's a better way to say that, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to finish off doing that today. Hopefully the weather's going to stay nice and these thunderstorms we're meant to get here in Appleby aren't going to come too soon, so I can stitch outside. And tomorrow I thought we could move on to doing the acorns and finish off this little section here. So I will see you tomorrow.